Good morning, students of 7th ICSE. Actually, we have completed the portion for this term. We are going to have a revision class in this video. The topic is the Unit 1 Rise of Christianity. What is the rise of Christianity? Love your enemies, do good to those who hate you. If someone slaps you on one cheek, turn to them the other also. Do to others as you would have them do to you. The Holy Bible says this. This is the topic. Okay, already this lesson was taught by Miss Lohanagi. She has given the introduction of this lesson and the topics birth of Christianity, about the Jesus Christ, the crucifixion, and also the summary. Just we are going to revise the lesson for the upcoming examination. We will see the map now. This is the map, shows the Roman Empire in the 2nd century, that is in Common Era. These are the important place the Roman Empire raised. The Christianity was raised in these places. There are so many places. This map is very important because in this place only the Christianity was raised. It is very important. Next, let us see the nutshell of this lesson, Rise of Christianity. The medieval period lies between the ancient and the modern periods. In India, the medieval period stretched from the 8th to 18th century. In Europe, it stretched from about the 6th to 16th century CE, that is Common Era. In about the 1st century BCE, the Romans had captured Palestine, the homeland of Jews. Jews were tortured and forced to worship Roman emperors as gods. Jesus was born in Bethlehem. The Gospels tells us that Jesus grew up in Nazareth and chose 12 apostles who helped him spread the message of love. Jesus led a simple life. He rejected meaningless rituals and preached love and compassion. The Sermon on the Mount is the most famous sermon of Jesus. People began to look upon Jesus as a promised Messiah. Some Jews priests felt threatened by the growing popularity of Jesus. They convinced the Roman governor to arrest Jesus. In 13 CE, Jesus was crucified. Some of the followers of Jesus believed that he rose from the dead and ascended into heaven. This gave hope to his followers who preached in the name of Jesus Christ. Yes, this is the nutshell of this lesson, the rise of Christianity. Here we'll see some points to focus. The main theme is what? Main teachings of Jesus Christ. I will tell some 5 points of the main teaching of Jesus Christ. Do unto others as you would have others do unto you. The second point is love your enemies. The third point, do not judge others. Fourth point, give to the needy. The fifth point is have faith in God. These are the 5 points of focus about this rise of Christianity. Okay, students, let's see this unit 2, the spread of Christianity. How this Christianity was spread. The Dura Europos church in Syria is one of the earliest known churches in the world. It dates back to the 3rd century CE. Scholars believe that it was a house that was converted into a place of worship. The church is famous for some of the earlier depictions of Jesus Christ. Yes, this lesson also was taught by Ms. Loknahi, and she would have given the introduction of this lesson and about the Emperor Constantine, then shift of capital, medieval Europe, and then decline of the ancient Roman Empire, the rise of feudalism, the Byzantine Empire, the emergence of the Turks, the Crusaders and monasteries and their impacts, and then also the summary of this lesson. All these topics was discussed by her, and let us see the map. In the second unit also we have a map, that is the routes of the first, third, fourth and fifth, and also the earth Crusaders. This fellow, he had a war to not to spread the Christianity in this place, in the place of Africa, the outline map. These are the place he fought again and again, that this places should not be spread in the name of Christians or the spread of the Christianity. So this map is also an important map for this unit 2. Now let us see the nutshell of this lesson, unit 2, the spread of the Christianity. After Jesus was crucified, his teachings were spread by his followers. Some Roman emperors saw Christians as rebels. They tortured and killed many Christians. In around 4th century CE, the Roman Emperor Constantine embraced Christianity. This ended the persecution of the Christians. Constantine shifted the capital of the Roman Empire from Rome to Constantinople. He built many churches. In 391 CE, Emperor Theodosius made Christianity the official religion of the Roman Empire. Many factors caused the decline of the Roman Empire. Chief among them being the invasions by the Germanic tribes. In 476 CE, the Roman Empire ended. In 395 CE, the Roman Empire was split into Western and Eastern Roman Empire. Constantinople became the capital of the Eastern Roman Empire. Under the able rule of Justinian I, the Eastern Roman Empire became the wealthiest empire in Europe. However, in 1453, Constantinople fell to the Ottoman Turks. Between 1096 and 1291, 8 Crusaders were fought by Christians. Already I showed the map. These Crusaders took war against these Christian places 8 times. The map clearly shows that, to reclaim the Holy Land from the Turks. However, the Crusades were failed. The monasteries played a very important role in medieval Europe. They helped spread Christianity. They were also centers of learning and carried out welfare work. Yes, the spread of Christianity. See how many times? 8. That is first time, third time, fourth, fifth and 8th time this crusade came, because not to spread the Christianity in these places, but again he failed and the Christianity was spread in that places. All these places the Christianity was spread. Here we'll see some of the points of focus. The ancient Roman Empire split into Western and Eastern Roman Empire. The Eastern Roman Empire was called the Byzantine Empire. Constantinople was its capital. The empire flourished under Justinian I. The empire declined steadily after Justinian I. In 1453, Constantinople was captured by the Turks. The second point of focus is the rise of feudalism created new social classes such as lords, vassals, and serfs. Third point of focus is monasteries played a crucial role in spreading Christianity. They acted as centers of learning as well as healing. The fourth point of focus is the ancient Roman Empire declined. Many causes were responsible, the chief being the barbarian invasions. A series of holy wars were fought by Christians to reclaim the Holy Land captured by the Turks. The Crusaders failed in their mission. The Crusaders, however, exposed Europe to the advances made by the Turks and thus paved the way for the Renaissance. Okay, students, that's all about the rise of the Christianity and the spread of the Christianity. Okay. I wanted to give you a project, that is, this is project as well as mark will be, it is as a test, 2-in-1, project as well as test. Already I have conducted one Google test, I have a record. So this is the second and third test you are going to write, that is rise of Christianity. I want you to make 10 sentences, write 10 sentences in this lesson. Okay, students, 10 sentence or more than that you can take from the book. Inside the book you can take, or from general. Okay, you can take generally the 10 or more than 10 sentences about the rise of Christianity. This is the assignment. You can keep it in a stick file, as well as the mark will be given as a second test. Okay, students, and then third assignment, that is third test, is spread of Christianity. Same way, how this Christianity was spread. You have to make 10 or more than 10 sentence. Read this lesson and you can make 10 from this, or generally you can take from the other books. You can write it on your own. I want you not to copy from the books. You read it and write it on your own. So test number 3 and test number 2 and 3. First one is Google test I have conducted. So test number 2, 3 and fourth test will be conducted on Monday. That one I will be sending you in the WhatsApp, in the class group, what will be coming for the short 10 minutes test. I think you would have understood, students. Rise of Christianity, 10 sentence, more than 10 also you can write. And then spread of Christianity, 10 cent. 2 assignment as well as the same mark will be awarded for the test. I think you would have understood. Clearly I will put it in the class group in a voice message also. Okay, students. I think the second lesson, if the book exercise is not given, just you can send me in WhatsApp whether you got the book exercise answers. If not, I will be sending you the book exercise. I told you the second lesson will come for the test. More information will be sent in the class group. If you have not written the book exercise answer, kindly give me in the WhatsApp your answer, yes or no. I think that's all about this revision, students. From this week we'll be having the revision, test, assignment, everything. You keep it in, file it, everything. If at all I ask it to send, then you send the photocopy of the test or the assignment you have written. Okay student, take care, be safe. Thank you students.